Hanabi Taikai, Japanese fireworks festivals, are always the country's biggest summer events. Everyone gets excited about the deep loud sound and the beautiful golden fire flowers in the dark sky, while at the same time enjoying food, drink, and a great time with family and friends. Japanese-style fireworks, Hanabi, have three important points: a magnificent bowl-like structure, color gradation and alternation, and a central core. The manufacturing of each Hanabi takes hundreds of hours to create. Professional Hanabi workers have delicate techniques that they use to create many kinds of terrific Hanabi. We will have a lot of Hanabi Taikai all around Japan this summer. This is a list of some of the most popular ones. There are many others. If you are planning to go to one of them, please ask someone in advance, like a hotel receptionist, where you should go to watch it. And then get there to grab a spot really early. On that day, the city will be packed with huge numbers of people and busy. So, unless you find the spot long before the fireworks begin, you might lose the chance to have a nice view. Please enjoy!